All right, guys, so we're back, and I'm gonna try this NES game that I got from eBay. It's not working. Let's see if I can get it to work. Getting gray screens, black screens, and I'm gonna try to clean the tracers, and I'm gonna be using Brasso, clean the tracers, some rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, 70%, and I got an eraser to rub it, and I got the security screwdriver. I think it's a 3.5 or 5 point something. I don't remember exactly which one it is. Okay, and I got a regular screwdriver, Phillips, little Phillips one. Depending on the screws. This one, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna need a, what do you call it? Security screwdriver. So this cartridge here has 3 screws in the back. Some of these cartridges have 5 screws. And I got a microfiber cloth to clean it out. So I'm gonna open it up right now. There's 3 screws, 3 security screws. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. So now I'm gonna just flip it up like that, slide it out, slide this out like that. So this is it. This is the board with 3 chips on it. Okay, you can see the traces are dirty there, look grimy and dirty. So I'm gonna try to clean it out. Okay, I'm gonna use a little alcohol first. Use a little bit of alcohol. I'm trying to hold this away. Use a little alcohol like this. Just go like this, back and forth. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna use the Brasso. Just a little bit of this Brasso. Little dab of Brasso. Looks like it's coming out. Let's see if this works. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let me do the other side. Put a little bit here. That looks really good. Okay. I'm gonna rub it with this eraser a little bit. A little extra cleaning. Okay. I'm gonna rub with the eraser again, the back. back of the tracers, front and back. Okay, it looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna just go over it with a little bit of alcohol again. Looks pretty clean. What do you guys think? Yeah. Looks clean. Looks pretty clean. So, let me try it. Close it up. Got the sticker here. Sticker's $4.99. All right. I'll just put one screw on it just to hold, keep it shut. Let's see if I save this ice hockey. Uh-oh, no good. Oh, it's kind of... Let me try to close it up correctly, just in case it might just be loose. Just in case. Just might be loose. Anything. Let's see, here we go. There it goes. Boom, it works. I saved it. There you go. I just had to tighten it up the other screw. I just had to tighten it up the other screw. Let me just snug them in a little bit. Not too tight. Snug them in. I gotta get this off here. A little bit of more permanent work there. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Ice hockey works. And that's it for the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out.
Step up out the Rari and I pose. Like that I'm ghost. The club is like the weatherman. Every corner knows it's full of snow. Pills falling out the sky. I can feel my soul, yeah. Asking for my warmth, so sorry. Love, I be so cool, yeah. Every time I breathe, you can see the smoke.